Complete foam coverage confirmed. Moving to the next station.
Cycle complete on Station 3.
Acknowledged. Proceed to veterinary.
Okay, scanning complete on herd ID 457.
Records updated instantly on the screen. Let's begin the physical exam.
Check the left rear hoof, slight abrasion here. Okay, uploading the photo now. Medical profile updated.
All vital signs are excellent. This one is healthy and ready for the next stage.
Full approval on skin and coat condition.
Excellent, we are clear to move her to the next station. Weight confirmed, 550 kilograms. ID 4056. Stored in the database.
It's okay, nice and easy now. You're doing great.
The inspection results are verified. We are ready for final approval.
Go ahead and finalize the documentation.
Another successful cycle, Doctor. Your team did excellent work.
Thank you. The cows are all clear.
All right, girls, keep moving. Easy now, right this way.
The color consistency is stable across the roll.
Good, the automated marker just tagged that minor flaw.
Quality control complete, we are clear for the next department. The cup panels and elastic sections look seamless. Agreed. The measurements are precise. We can send it to production. Computer-controlled laser cutting machines cut every fabric component with perfect accuracy. Workers organize the cut pieces into labeled trays.
Automatic sewing machines attach the molded cups to the prepared band. Workers inspect alignment from every angle. Precision stitching creates smooth, clean seams.
Prepared shoulder straps are attached using high-speed industrial sewing machines. Workers verify equal spacing and secure attachment. Each finished bra is folded carefully using automatic folding equipment. Protective tissue paper.
Make sure the count matches the manifest. Yes, I'm verifying the shipment now.